Rectangles P, Q, R, and S are scaled copies of one another. For each pair, decide if the scale factor from one to the other is greater than 1, equal to 1, or less than 1. For this problem, we're going to be comparing rectangle Q to rectangle R. So as we go from rectangle Q to rectangle R, we'll need to decide what kind of scale factor we have. To decide that, it can help to have some facts about scale factors. If you have a growing scale factor, that means you have a scale factor greater than 1. And when you multiply that scale factor, you create a larger shape. If your scale factor is equal to 1, then when you multiply it, the shape remains the same. If you have a scale factor between 0 and 1, when you multiply it, you actually shrink the shape. So in this case, again, we're starting with Q, and we're going to R. And so the question is, what kind of scale factor do we need to go from Q to R? Since Q is smaller than R, we need a growing scale factor to go from Q to R. So we should have picked a scale factor greater than 1. Many of you picked a scale factor less than 1, or between 0 and 1. If we start at Q and we multiply by a scale factor that's less than 1, you're actually shrinking. And we don't want to shrink, we want to grow. You might have chosen this answer because you got confused about which direction you were going. Since you're starting with the smaller shape and going to the larger shape, you needed to use a growing scale factor, or a scale factor greater than 1.